So Morphe has just released a new like brow situation. We're gonna go in and try this today on the brows. I have the shade Chocolate Mousse, I believe. Yep. So a brush comes with it. This is the brush. It's wrapped to gauze. Oh, it's like a duo. Okay, so we basically have a brow pencil and a mousse all together. So I'm guessing we use all of these products together to achieve like the perfect brow. I don't really like my brows too dark these days, but let's just see what happens with this. Because my brows are already naturally pretty dark. And then they are laminated as well. I did go in with some powder to just like get any product that may be lingering. So I'm gonna go in and fill with the pencil, like the areas that needs filled. Maybe a couple strokes in the front here. Nothing too major. This is an interesting brush. I'll show y'all for real. Let me show y'all exactly what's going on here. I don't really need this, but I'ma see. So this is like a wax. It's gonna hold the hair and also deposit like product too. So, okay. I'm not gonna go in with too much of this though. Just a little bit. Look, I lied. It's trying to go left. I need it to go right. So it's gonna block those brows down. Babes. I have been like really into these products lately though, like that wax consistency. So I think this is cool for them days when I just wanna lay the hairs down. Yeah, it's cool. I like this. I'm gonna carve my brows off camera and I'm gonna come back to y'all.